Marketing is often confused with simple advertising, but it is actually the entire process of getting people interested in a product or service. At its core, marketing is about identifying, creating, and delivering value to customers who need or want what you are offering. Most people do not buy products just for the sake of it, they buy solutions to their daily frustrations or desires. Marketing pros use the 4PS framework to ensure they have a balanced strategy that covers every angle of the customer journey. Think of marketing as the entire umbrella strategy, while advertising is just one of the tools you use under that umbrella. Different channels yield different results depending on the industry. Data-driven marketers test these channels to see what resonates best with their specific audience. The most successful brands build a story around their mission, which creates loyalty far beyond a single transaction. Understanding marketing helps you become a smarter consumer. Subscribe for more money basics and hit that like button if this helped you learn.